So our topic for today is lead form extension. So we're going to focus over here how to create a lead form extension and how to use it in your ad copy. So let me tell you before we start with this learning with lead form extension, this lead form extension is the new update from Google Ads. Okay, previously it was not there. Okay, now for the substitute of your message extension, they got this lead form extension. So they're planning to, let's say, take down the message extension because now we got lead form extension. Okay. So we were like, we eagerly waiting for this extension because this extension will give you the actual data of your customers. I meant to say potential customers. Okay. So let me show you how to design it. Once you go to lead form extension, they're gonna ask you the call to action button. Okay. Like they'll see your ad copy, they'll click on the call to action button. I've written over here book now, free demo class online. Once they click on this, they'll go to lead form. In lead form, you can give headline. Headline should be something of catchy line. Okay, so that they click on the fill the information, they click on submit. Okay, you can give a business name over here, and then you can write more about your product or service, what you have in description. Okay, try to use keywords over here as well. Now, again, next thing over here, we have contact information, like what information you will ask them. Usually we ask them name, phone number, email ID only. I guess that is sufficient for every business. But still, if you feel like you need more information, like a country or town or city, in that case, you can check this box as well. But don't ask irrelevant questions just for the information because people won't fill the form if you ask them like too much of information. Okay, don't fill the form. Even if I ask you to fill a form with, let's say, 10, 12 questions, you won't fill it. Getting it? So make sure you ask them like as less as questions as possible. Okay. You want more questions related to any industry, you can do that as well. For example, I have an industry education. Okay. So in education, you have like which program you are interested in, which course are you interested in. So already some questions have been designed. You can just choose the question. Getting it? And then give the answers over here. Okay. So they can choose any one of the option. You can give the options over here, they can choose any one of the option. Now privacy policy. It is very important to give a privacy policy URL. If you're taking somebody's data, okay, then you have to give a privacy policy URL. There are online tools available through which you can generate the privacy policy. There's a website known as privacypolicygenerator.io through which you can generate privacy policy. You can provide a background image. You have to make sure you follow the same specifications. Okay, and then you have submission message, in which what you can do once they click on the submit, okay, from lead form state to they'll go to submissions message state, they're gonna see this. So you can change the headline if you want. It's written on your sent over here if you want to write, okay, thank you so much for registration or anything. You can give your own headline, give your own description over here. And from now here, you can divert them to your website or you can ask them to download something. For example, download your brochure or maybe any PDF, syllabus. Okay, depends upon the industry. You can choose. You want to divert them to your website or you want them to download something. Okay, once this is done, you can just go and save it. Okay, so there are three states are here: extension state, lead form state, and submission message state. Okay, so this is how you create the lead form extension. Very efficient if you're looking for, let's say, leads and everything. Very efficient. Okay, so I hope you have understood this. Thank you so much.